vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of boho outdoor decor, and let's learn about decorating tips to create a stunning bohemian retreat in your backyard. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you're looking to create a serene, bohemian oasis in your backyard, this video is for you. Let's explore what boho outdoor decor means, its benefits, essential items, and expert decorating tips. Boho outdoor decor, or Bohemian outdoor decor, is a style that embraces a free-spirited, eclectic aesthetic. It's characterized by a mix of natural materials, vibrant colors, and unique, often vintage, pieces. Think flowing textiles, handcrafted accents, and a sense of relaxed, carefree living. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, boho outdoor decor offers a multitude of benefits that can enhance your overall well-being and enjoyment of your outdoor space. Here are some of the benefits of boho outdoor decor. First, relaxation and serenity. The bohemian aesthetic promotes a sense of calm and tranquility, making your backyard an ideal escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Second, creativity and expression. Boho decor encourages individuality and self-expression, allowing you to create a space that truly reflects your personal style. Third, connection to nature. Boho outdoor decor often incorporates natural elements, such as plants, wood, and stone, fostering a connection to the outdoors. To create a stunning bohemian outdoor space, it's essential to incorporate a few key elements. Let's explore the must-have items that will transform your backyard into a bohemian oasis. Just consider incorporating these essential items for boho outdoor decor. 1. Outdoor rugs. A colorful, patterned rug can serve as a focal point for your outdoor area. 2. Seating. Comfortable, eclectic seating options, such as bohemian-style chairs or hammocks, are key. 3. Textiles. Throw pillows, blankets, and tapestries add warmth, texture, and color. 4. Plants. A variety of plants, including hanging baskets and potted plants, can create a lush, natural atmosphere. 5. Lighting. String lights, lanterns, and candles provide ambience and create a cozy atmosphere. 6. Outdoor furniture. Choose unique, vintage-inspired furniture pieces or opt for handcrafted options. 7. Outdoor bar or kitchen. A functional outdoor bar or kitchen area can enhance your entertaining experience. 8. Fire pit or fireplace. A fire pit or fireplace adds warmth, ambience, and a gathering spot. 9. Water features. Fountains, bird baths, or small ponds can introduce a calming element to your space. 10. Decorative accents. Incorporate unique decorative pieces, such as sculptures, wind chimes, or vintage finds, to personalize your space. Now that you have a solid foundation of boho outdoor decor essentials, let's delve into the art of decorating your space. By following these expert tips, you can create a truly unique and inviting bohemian retreat. Here are some tips for decorating your boho outdoor space. First, color palette. Choose a vibrant color palette that reflects your personality. Consider using earthy tones combined with bright accents. Second, mix and match. Embrace eclecticism by mixing different styles and textures. Third, layering. Create depth and interest by layering textiles, plants, and decorative items. Fourth, natural materials. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and rattan to connect with the outdoors. Fifth, personal touches. Add personal touches, such as family photos or favorite items, to make your space truly unique. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 boho outdoor decor ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Hanging macrame hammock. Indulge in ultimate relaxation with a beautifully crafted macrame hammock. Hang it between trees or from a sturdy structure and enjoy the gentle swaying motion while enjoying the outdoor breeze. 2. Vintage rug as a ground cover. A vintage rug can instantly transform your outdoor space, adding a pop of color and defining the area. Choose a rug with bold patterns or vibrant colors to create a focal point. 3. Succulent garden in a wicker basket. Create a low-maintenance and visually appealing garden by planting succulents in a rustic wicker basket. Succulents are drought-tolerant and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them perfect for outdoor spaces. 4. String lights and lanterns. Illuminate your outdoor space with a warm and inviting glow using string lights and lanterns. Hang them from trees or place them on tables and shelves to create a cozy ambience. 5. Bohemian-inspired outdoor bar. Set up a stylish outdoor bar area to entertain guests in style. Incorporate colorful textiles, vintage bar stools, and a variety of drinks to create a fun and festive atmosphere. 6. DIY boho wall art. Create personalized wall art to add a touch of individuality to your outdoor space. Hang macrame tapestries, dream catchers, or framed botanical prints for a bohemian-inspired look. 7. Outdoor fire pit with seating. Gather around a fire pit for warmth, ambience, and a social element. Provide comfortable seating options, such as outdoor cushions or beanbags, to create a cozy gathering spot. 8. Outdoor cushions and throw pillows. Introduce color, texture, and comfort with a variety of bohemian-inspired cushions and throw pillows. Choose patterns and colors that complement your outdoor space and create a welcoming atmosphere. 9. Potted bamboo plants. Add a touch of natural elegance and privacy to your outdoor space with potted bamboo plants. Bamboo is a versatile plant that grows quickly and can be used to create a living wall or privacy screen. 10. Vintage outdoor furniture. Incorporate unique vintage furniture pieces to add character and charm to your outdoor space. Look for weathered wooden benches, retro lounge chairs, or vintage dining sets to create a one-of-a-kind bohemian aesthetic. Boho Outdoor Decor offers a wonderful opportunity to create a serene, inviting, and personalized outdoor living space. By following these tips and incorporating essential elements, you can transform your backyard into a bohemian oasis. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity flow. Ready to create your own boho outdoor paradise? Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiration, design tips, and DIY projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.